All right, C4 Corvette, gonna give it a start and see how the converter's acting. Yeah, everything seems good. The converter's stalling up to 4,000, and before we could only get what the other converter was 2,800. Now she's going up to 4, and that should get us where we need to be. Trying to get it ready. We have a race meet next weekend. 3-day meet. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday will be test and tune. Saturday will be eliminations. Saturday, Friday's test and tune. Saturday is qualifying. Sunday is eliminations. But yeah, I think we should be ready for that event. The only other issue we had was running lean on the top end. So we did a few changes. Hopefully that'll be okay. And yeah, we should be able to put some numbers down with it. Should be able to get at it. Yeah, so we're at downtown Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica, downtown in the Gaza. All right, fam. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.